When do we know to use quadratic formula is when the question tells you to express this in 2 decimal place. Okay? Or there's actually another way, alright, which I'm going to share with you right now. Now before that, let's go through the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This you have to know by heart. Alright, so looking at this question, once you form the quadratic equation on your left is equals to 0 on the right, write down a is your what? 9, b is negative 12, c is negative 4. Okay, and then we write down x equals to minus of minus 12, yeah, minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, okay, over 2a. Okay, then over here you have to do a little bit of working by saying that this is 12 plus minus square root. Use your calculator to calculate the b squared minus 4ac. So this will be minus 2b squared minus 4 times 9 times negative 4, and that will be 288 over 18. Okay, now at this point of time I would like you to take out your calculator. Okay, if your calculator is the new calculator like mine, okay, then good for you. If not, it will just be, if your calculator is the Casio FX95, it is called mode 33. Okay, if you're my student, you would have known. If not, press mode and then equation and then the ax squared plus bx plus c for Casio FX95. Okay, if you are this Casio FX97 is mode, okay, 5 2, okay, and then the degree, what is the power, means 2, so it's mode 522 for Casio FX97 and mode 33 for Casio FX95, and you come to this screen. Alright, put in your A. Your A is 9 equal, your B is negative 12. Remember to put in a negative, you have a negative sign, and the C is negative 4. Okay, and it will tell you your answer straight away. So at the start of the equation, when you have an equation, you can use this for any equation, but just know how to present. If you have found out that, hey, my answer is an irrational number, that means not a nice fraction, not a nice whole number, that means I have to use a quadratic formula. Okay, so for this case, the answer is 1.60947. So this is equals to 1.60947, or negative 0.27614. Negative 0.27614. Then now you do your approximation, 1.61 or negative 0.276. Okay, so if you have an algebraic fraction, alright, and they say that, okay, keep it to 2 dp, that would mean that, you know, quadratic formula have to come in play. Okay, so in this case it should be 0.28. Okay, so for this, now x squared minus 9, you have to know by now that x squared minus 9 is x plus 3, x minus 3. Algebraic rule number 3. Okay, so because this guy has 2 denominator, this guy only have 1, so he needs to multiply by x minus 3, x minus 3, 8 multiplied by x minus 3 plus 6 over x minus 3, x plus 3, okay, equals to 3 over 4. Simplify the numerator for the left guy. 8x minus 24 plus 6 over, this denominator you would know that it would be x squared minus 9. Okay, equals to 3 over 4. Okay, make it nice first. 8x minus 18 over x squared minus 9 equals to 3 over 4. Then we do a cross multiply. 4 of 8x minus 18 then I will have 32x minus 64 equals to 3x squared minus 27. Make everything into a quadratic equation. That what means is 3x squared minus 32x 64 minus 27 would be equals to 37. Equals to 0. Okay, so at this point of time is where you should go and use your mode 522 or mode 33. Okay, so this is 3, this is negative 32, this is 37, and you get an irrational number. So you have to present it in the form of quadratic formula. Okay, A equals to 3, B equals to negative 32, C equals to 37, X equals to minus B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Okay, so just do a little bit of showing your working. 32 square minus 4 times 3 times 37, and that will be 580 inside over 6. Then don't evaluate that out because sometimes you will be careless. Always use the calculator. 9.3472, 9.3472 or 1.3195. So approximate to 9.35 or 1.32 for 2 decimal place. Okay, or for 3 significant figure if you need the question to do. Okay, so the thing is, when you have an algebraic fraction, always make a common denominator, then you cross multiply.